with this. Watch, when I enter the ring, I already know where this ring is. It's around there. That one's just gone off. Watch. There you go. There's the ring there. That one's gonna go. There you go. Now what'll happen is they'll stay on for quite a while, and then that one will go out next. The ring is over here for powering down. Wait for Jehovah's signal. Wait for him to recognise that I'm inside the circle, and it will go off. Watch. We may have to get real close to this one. There you go. It's there. Yeah. Right, now that one's going to go off. Ready? Around here, approach you from the back. There you go. So that's there. Now I need to continue the mapping process, so we need to map a ring from there around to the other side, and then from there, that will just come back on now, round that side, round in between the bin and the bench there. There you go, one's just come back on. And now what'll happen is this one will turn off. Keep it wide, come closer. It's about here somewhere, watch. As soon as you come in there, just see it go off. Let's go around the other side actually. There you go, see? Right through the tree and the bench.